if you're new to fashion and you're just trying to figure a way to get customers and get people to like patronize you, to get people to like trust you with their clothes, this particular video is a very, very important video that I think that you should hear. This is part of our live stream, and I think I give a lot of value in this video. That's why I decided to share it. I state a lot of ways in which you can accumulate customer, in which you can attract newer customer, but the last part of the video is the most important part of the video, so I will advise you to watch the video from beginning to the end. It's an interactive conversation whereby I was talking to someone and how I did it, how I got to where I got to, and how you can also do it. So let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy the video and the video add value into your fashion career and general. This actually applies to every business actually, so let's get straight into the video. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, made good. Good evening, Mr. Lasukomi.
Yeah, good evening, ma. How are
Yes, sir.
you? Yes.
I'm fine.
Good to have you here. Good to have you here. This is just like an impromptu live stream. Like an impromptu.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. So based on our conversation, I was talking about customer acquisition. And,
Yeah, I'm following.
yes, how to accumulate customers and which are you a practicing fashion designer or you just still a learner?
Yeah, I'm practicing already.
Okay. So I believe you have a business working, business that's running.
Not yet, because I think when you are new to fashion design,
Yes.
maybe people are scared to trust you.
That is true. That is true. That is true.
Because I can sew, because through your channel on YouTube I can cut for my son and for myself.
Okay. Okay.
So, and I sew my shirt and trouser perfectly well. Also dashiki for my son. You know, I try to get materials across over here, but I tried even talking to my neighbor, because I believe that if I start with one
Yes.
and maybe a friend can have interest through it, but
Yes.
I can see the fear in their face. Maybe when they feel that, oh, she's new, are you sure she can? And with what I've learned so far,
Okay.
if I get the right measurements, I should be able to cut what's supposed to fit perfect. But I think they are afraid.
Yes.
So this is what me too I'm facing right now. There is no customer presently.
Okay, I understand that. I understand that. Okay. You see, I've been through that also. I've been through that, and I cannot say for everybody, but the things that has worked for me,
Okay.
I can tell you, and if you can apply it, you're going to see it
Okay.
go up very, very fast.
Okay.
Okay, so just listen. As of the time that I started, I find it difficult to get people to trust me also. So this is what I did. I get into. If you follow my channel very well, I've been talking mostly about ready to wear a lot. Ready to wear, ready to wear,
Yeah.
ready to wear. And most people might think I do. Maybe I don't know what I'm saying, but this is something that has worked for me. When you get into the ready to wear aspect, you can easily maneuver to anything you want to do. You can easily maneuver to like making maybe just only trouser or making just only top or senator or anything. So as of that time, this is what I do. When I see somebody
Okay.
that I intend to make my customer,
Yeah.
I'll get a cheaper fabric. Maybe the least
Okay.
one that is very, very cheap. Look at them very well and look at this and look at the measurements. Just look at them, or you can figure out a way to get their measurements.
Okay.
All you have to do is just to maybe those your neighbor, right? Just look for
Yeah.
maybe like a size extra large measurement or a large measurement, and just sew a simple shirt for them.
Okay.
This shirt might be cheap, maybe like all those 1,000 naira fabric, maybe 2 yard. It's a sacrifice. It is, you might not be able to do it for everybody, but this is a sacrifice you have to pay from the beginning.
Yeah.
When you give it to them and they try it and they wear it and they realize that, oh, okay, this actually is okay, they will start giving you something to do. You start being like, okay, I trust you can do this, and you start giving you work. This as of the time that I started, I was in an estate in Abuja. I stayed in Abuja before coming to Lagos, right? I was in an estate,
Okay.
and there's a man that used to drive in front, like they used to drive past my house. I've been the man is rich. I used to look at rich people though because I want bigger money. I've been looking at the man
Yes.
like how can I penetrate inside this man? How can I? So one day I spoke to the wife that madam, I'm a fashion designer. This can I sew for your husband? And she's like my husband designer is in Kuje somewhere far. All those. I'm like okay, all right man, no problem. So there was a day I went to the market, so I bought a joggers fabric. I think it was a joggers. I'm talking about 2019. So like
Mm.
2019. I bought a joggers, right? So I bought a joggers and I sew it. You know joggers, it doesn't have to be permanently
Yeah.
fit. Just a it doesn't have to be 100% fitted. It can be big, it can
Good.
be
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So I made a joggers and I went to their house, knocked their door. They allow me in. I show him like I made this. I just give him as a gift. How much did I spend? I spent. I think I the joggers. The whole material was like 600, maybe like 900 naira because it was like 300 naira per
Mm.
yard. It's not that expensive, right?
Like now. Yeah.
Unlike now, yes.
Yeah.
So I gave him and he wore it, and I noticed that when I'm looking at him from my compound from the other side, he used to wear the joggers. Like after the day I give him, he tends to like it because it's more casual. He can wear it to wash car, he can use it in the compound. And after
Mm-hmm.
he started to like Olasukomi, how are you, come to my compound. So I will go, you give me like three Ankara or something. They used to wear Ankara.
Wow.
You give me like three Ankara, pay me. And after that, he took me to his office, connect me to like three men. See, this thing is just, I just spent only 900 naira to get connection with. Do you understand? So,
Yeah.
I think there's sacrifice you have to pay in order to get the doors to be open. There's some
Okay.
sacrifice you have to pay, yes. And
Yeah.
if it requires you to spend money ahead of time, you can just go ahead and do it. You can just go ahead.
Yeah.
But
Thank you so much.
I would advise you to trust in yourself. Believe that you are good enough to do it. If you need more knowledge, right, you can
Mhm.
go ahead and there are lots of video on my channel and on YouTube in general.
Yeah. Sure.
Learn
Yeah.
everything you need to learn so that you can have that confidence and walk
Mm.
up to anybody and tell them, I can do this for you and I will do it. They will pay you. There's unlimited money on the planet. People have money. Actually, people have
Yeah.
money.
That's what we are looking for.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
Thank
Just
you
give it
so
a
much.
try. Give it a try. You're welcome.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right. I think
Have
I
a
have
nice evening.
yeah, you can go now. I think I have a couple
Yeah.
of people right now that want to ask questions as well. I have Ibrahim Habib, so I'm going to allow